These felt bulletin board tiles provide a clean, contemporary alternative to traditional cork, with a soft texture that looks polished in both home and office spaces. Made from recycled polyester, the panels feel sturdy yet lightweight, and they do not carry the musty odor that some corkboards develop over time. The tiles come in a coordinated set that covers a generous wall area, and the included adhesive strips make it simple to mount them without drilling or permanent damage. Once installed, the precisely cut edges line up neatly so the tiles read as one continuous surface, which makes photo collages, inspiration boards, or project planning layouts look very intentional. The felt has enough density to hold pushpins securely, and it also helps tame echo in small rooms, so it doubles as subtle sound treatment behind a desk or in a study corner. The aurora green color adds a calm, modern accent that works well on camera for video calls, while still being practical for pinning calendars, notes, and reminders.